So this is the Costus flower, and it's one of the very beautiful flower actually, and extremely hardy plant. I'll recommend this as one of the first plants for biodiversity gardens all over India. Though it is from Western Ghats, I have a strong feeling it is. I have found in my experience it's very versatile. With less water, it will shrink in size. That's all. And if there's plenty of nutrition, water, and conditions ideal, lot of mulch and all, it can grow up to 6 feet, 10 feet, and all. So some ant of our garden is getting something out of it. Maybe some kind of some sweet substance. In this Costus, it can survive long spells without water also. The upper part, that leafy structure will dry up, that's all. And then the life will remain in the root. It has a succulent root. And then whenever it rains, because it stores water in that root, so it can withstand the droughty conditions. The excess water also it can quite easily deal with it. In water rich locations also, it does very well. So here this is a very good location. And then so it has gone up to, it is it must be about double my height almost. So that is about 12 feet, 10 to 12 feet. That much it can grow if the conditions are ideal. Otherwise, it can be grown in a terrarium also, small pot as a balcony thing, and there it will shrink in size and become small. So some of these plants have that ability. And another nice thing about this is it has a kind of a curvy feature. Like here you can see stem is red and nice, and so it is very showy also. Looks very beautiful and nice, and it holds it creates a very nice ambience inside the garden, tropical ambience. Flowers are also quite attractive and nice.